Here is how, with jQuery, you can do explicit iteration. Often you don't need to, but if you do, you can use an each method, okay? And it takes a function as well, okay? So instead of doing a for loop, you just do dot each, and then inside there you put a function, and then that function that you're defining has a possible argument that you can stick in there, right? Index, and so that'll give you that's like and the first one will be 0, etc. So you could say this dot append pound index plus 1, right? And so we're gonna be appending that string to all the LIs. So if we try this, and I'm not going to use my keyboard shortcut because I've learned my lesson. And Firebug is being weird, so we'll go over to Chrome. And here we go. OK. Now, OK. Let's try it. Ta-da! OK, it went through the whole document, all the slides in this page, and it just appended pound and then the index of it. And so that was the 27th one, the first one in the DOM tree, right? So if we did it again, but we rooted it on DOM tree, there we go. Pound 1, pound 2, pound 3. So it's item 1, number 1. Yeah, right? And why is it starting with pound 1? Let's take a look at our code again. Starts with 1 because I said on the first one, it's going to be, the index is going to be 0, and it's 0 plus 1, right? So for each one, I'm adding 1 to it. Okay? Because that would be silly if we said, oh, this is list item number 0, you know. Okay. Any questions about this kind of thing? All right. Now we're getting to the this keyword. Okay. If you're creating an object literal, it refers to that current object. If you have a constructor function, which we won't get into now, it refers to that the instance of that function. So jQuery, you can also set this by using a couple JavaScript methods called call and apply, and that's what jQuery does. So in here, inside this each, jQuery will call the function within the context of the particular li. Okay? So if we loop through each li, this, just the bare this, will be that DOM element, that li. Okay? And so you can do something with that. You can use DOM properties or methods on it. If you put this inside of if you use it as an argument inside the dollar function, then that becomes your selector, right? And so now you're saying, I want to find this element. Why would you do that?
So that you can use all the jQuery object properties.
That's right. So you can use all the jQuery methods. Add class, remove class, append, insert after, whatever, right? All of those you can use on the jQuery object that's returned by that function.